Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming SIM2 actually holds contacts, otherwise there's nothing to pull. Once confirmed, open your Contacts app and grant contacts and storage permissions so the app can read and save data. Next, go straight to Export and explicitly select SIM2 as the source. This forces the system to read that specific chip. Choose vCard, VCF, or Save to internal storage. This step creates a transferable file you'll use in the next stage. Once the VCF file exists, find it in Downloads or the folder you picked. You should then transfer it, plug in via USB, use AirDrop, upload to Google Drive, or email the file to the target device. Pick the fastest, most reliable channel you have. After transfer, open the VCF on the receiving phone and import. Make sure to select the correct account or device location and decide whether to merge with existing contacts or replace entries to avoid duplication. Finish by scanning the imported contacts. Check names, numbers, groups, and any custom fields so nothing is missing. If duplicates or formatting issues show up, use the Contacts Apps Merge tool or a trusted duplicate cleaner to tidy entries. If the import fails or the file is empty, go back and re-export explicitly from SIM2. Try saving as a different format if available, or switch transfer methods. USB often succeeds if wireless methods are inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.